Okay. Here we go. I wish I knew how to get rid of these wavy lines. I'm not really sure what's causing that. Okay, enough of that. Here's our... zoom in a little bit. There's our new kit. We had to pull that out because I accidentally bumped the needle, pushed it up, so but I cleaned this up. This is the needle and seat for the float, and it has a number, and someone could maybe help me out with this. I believe it is a 1.5, it looks like on there. Everything looks pretty clean. I think we're going to start reassembling it. Okie dokie. Be back.